How to find SWIFT code for U.S. Bank. A SWIFT code is an 8 to 11 character code that identifies your country, city, bank, and branch. Follow my instructions to find SWIFT code for U.S. Bank. First of all, search on Google and go to the WISE website SWIFT code section. Look for Find a SWIFT code tab. Select your country. Now write the bank name. Select the bank called U.S. Bank N.A. Select your city. Click on Find SWIFT code option. Now, you can see the SWIFT code for your U.S. bank is showing. You can also contact customer support and ask them for your SWIFT code. You will have to give them similar details. They will tell you your SWIFT code right away. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.